Today we'll be looking at the Honda HRR216. I look forward to the Mower's engine and the twin blade system for mulching. Setup was a snap and easy to do. You probably have asked yourself, why is he in his dress clothes? Because I'm meeting something that will change my life and I want to look my best. Or I just got home from work and was too excited to change. I was disappointed to find that 2 of the wheels were out of alignment. I don't blame Honda, I assume it happened in shipping. By the time I noticed it, I had already put gas in it and it was too late to return it. That's okay, I think I can fix it. I was impressed the get up and go of the Smartdrive system. Never attempt to start your mower without adding oil first. It was a pleasant surprise to find that Honda had already provided the oil for me. You'll find that oil located in the bag with the instruction manual. The twin blade system was amazing. I couldn't believe how small the clippings were. They were like little baby clippings. Almost like other clippings gave birth to those clippings, and they were their babies. Really does just look good. I like to mow tall, and this mower can reach up to 4 inches maximum mowing height and 1 1/8 inch minimum mowing height. I don't see myself ever meeting that one. Switching between mulching or bagging is about as easy as it gets. Seriously, easy. I mean, so easy. I mean, that easy. This was surprisingly more difficult for me than I thought. Whether it's my fingers or what, I could not get it. Luckily for you, I've edited quite a bit out and sped it up. No, seriously, I think it took me about 6 minutes to get the top part on. I don't know what made it so hard, but I just couldn't get it. The moment of truth. Now on to the grass. Once I started, I was impressed with how easy it cut and how small the clippings were. The Honda HRR216 was everything I would have hoped for. Thank you.